Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and if you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that every time I upload new videos you receive notifications. And this is our full workout to help maintain a flat tummy. We are warming up in sport right now, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for this workout. It is always not good to do abdominal exercises on a full tummy, so I hope your tummy is not so full for this exercise, but you have enough energy for the exercises. Make sure that you are hydrated. I have chosen out the best exercises that will help you maintain that flat tummy. So just continue marching or running, jogging, and next we are going to head down on the mat and start on those exercises since we are warm up right now. So see you at the mat. So down on the mat, you want to begin by getting down onto your mat, and you want to get into position, reach out your leg, and we are going to begin reaching out opposite leg, opposite arm. So pull in your abs towards the spine, making sure you have a flat back, and you will begin getting up, reaching up to the other leg with the opposite arm, opposite leg, and we want to do 10 of these per side. And back, keep breathing. Pull your abs towards the spine, that they are not bulging out during this exercise. Let's just do 2 more, and 1 more, and the other side. Bring that leg down and stretch out the other leg, and we shall begin with 1 and 2. Try to reach your leg with your hand, tummy towards the spine. Keep breathing. Keep it as straight as possible. Give me 2 more and 1 more, and relax it out. And you wanna get into position for a side plank. We are going to be holding for 45 seconds per side. So you want to reach out your legs, and you want to get off the ground, and you want to pull your abs towards the spine. You want to continue breathing while at it. Keep holding, keep going. You can hold this for as long as you can. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Don't give up. Keep pushing. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Those abs are tightening. Very good workout for the arms as well. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down. You want to stretch out that side, and we want to move to the other side. Get into position, pull off the ground, pull your arms towards the spine. You want to keep breathing, you want to continue going, and we are going to be holding this for still 45 seconds. No pressure, you can hold this for as long as you can. The longer the better. Also, it gets longer with practice, so just continue holding. Keep going. You're doing amazing. I can feel those abs tightening. This is a very good workout for that tiny waist as well, because it really works that obliques. And you want to continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come down and you want to stretch it out. Next, we want to get down onto our backs again, and we are gonna get into scissor kicks, and we are gonna do these for 30 seconds. So you want to raise your legs up, you want to pull in your abs towards the spine to make sure that you have a flat back, and we want to begin those scissor kicks while breathing and maintaining those abs towards the spine. Keep them pulled in. If you need support, you can hold yourself with your hands. Continue going. You may need support with the mat as well. Just hold yourself and continue kicking. Continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down. Oh my god, I feel the burn, I feel it, but I know that muscle is building up. You want to get into the elbow plank right now, and we are going to be holding it for a good 45 seconds, and we shall raise our bodies off the ground, making sure that your butt is actually flat, it's not aching into the ceiling. And we are going to be holding this for 45 good seconds and pulling in your abs towards the spine, making sure that you're breathing. You are doing an amazing job. Just keep going, keep moving. The plank, the elbow plank, actually works loads of muscles at the same time. The hands, the abdominal muscles, the back muscles. So just continue holding this. Keep going. You're doing well. Give me 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get down. Moving back into the side plank, which we are going to do with a crunch, and we are going to be doing 10 per side. So just get into the side plank position, pull off your body from the ground, and we shall begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just 1 more, and 10. I am feeling the burn over there. Just stretch it out, and we want to begin with the other side as well. So raise off the ground and make sure that you're stable, and begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, 10, and get down. And you wanna stretch it out, and you want to rest for about 30 seconds in that child's pose. So reach out your hands, and you want to rest over there. Catch your breath before we get into our next exercise. Keep going, keep breathing, abs towards the spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get back up. We are gonna get into the plank to downward facing dog. So just get into position, pull your abs towards the spine, and you want to get up and get back down. Get up. Let's just do 10 of these and get back down. That's 2. Get up, stretch it out, and come back down. Get out, stretch, and back, and give me 5, and get back, and give me 6, and get back, hold it, and 7, and hold, and 8, hold, and back, hold, and 9, hold it right there, tummy towards the spine, and back. Just give me 1 more, and you hold it right there, and get back down. And next we just wanna stretch it out. So just get down onto your backs, and we are coming to the end of this workout. We want to begin by stretching out those legs, stretch out that back, and we want to hold this right here for 30 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch in your entire lower back, feeling those abs working to that stretch as well. And you want to keep holding this, keep holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get down and hug your knees, and we want to hold on to this for about 20 seconds. Keep breathing, relaxing. That was short but intense. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up and sit up straight, and we want to stretch out the sides, beginning with the right side, stretching it out for 15 seconds, and keep stretching for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back to the other side. Ooh, favorite part of the exercises always is stretching for me. When you get to cool down, when you get to relax, when you get to stretch it out, keep stretching it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed working out with me. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button as well, so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.